1 MUGKH1 RDC slash SFNSN equals MO and MIBIXTIT equals 6 AAMW6. December 17th, 2025. Technology. Several comments that I posted. Weinberg. December 16th, 2025. Weinberg, Theory of Physics. Star Trek. December 17th, 2025. Computer and Network Technology. Recently a man was facing serious charges. But he was sick. So he appeared in a high court via video link. It is a new age we live in. In 1985 I was asked to implement an internet at a clinic. But there were no standards, so it was very hard. Also there was no internet. Even in the 1990s the internet only had text. No audio, photos or videos. Facebook was created in 2004 and YouTube was created in 2005. Each has over 1 billion users today. If you have friends, then hopefully you share interest in their lives but also some of their hobbies or fun activities. Like in certain TV shows and movies or music, etc. As well as share some interest in each other's work. Facebook allows you to share your interests with some people all over the world. University classes in philosophy, science, or engineering may have about 30 to 100 students each semester. The musical motion picture Grease was fun to watch for a young person. But I soon realized that I learned a lot about the teenage years from that movie. I used to watch the Star Trek TV series for fun. But later I noticed that I was learning a lot from it. __. Oh God. Even emergency doctors could not be reached decades ago. Later new technology gave them pagers. So they could be reached. But they had to find a landline and call whoever paged them. Today electronics and computer engineers have created wonders. Since you can walk alone on the streets yet have a photo of your loved one with you there on your portable smartphone. Even a video of her or talk to her via direct audio or direct video link from anywhere. A kind of virtual date? __. Aristotle. Post. Aristotle says you can learn nothing from what fool says, etc. My comments. Aristotle was a great genius. But I think you can learn from everyone. Even observing a small child. By what he says and does and what he does not say and do. Aristotle even said that we can learn from history. And if we ignore it, then we repeat its mistakes. Though G.W.F. Hegel argued that history progresses rationally, Aristotle already said that nature acts for an end. Many philosophers highly praised Aristotle. And in the 19th century Hegel called Aristotle the greatest philosopher of all time. Objection. He only knew words. He could not get out of situations. He would perish. My comments. Thank you for your attention. Aristotle lived 62 years. First of all, many modern philosophers simply have opinions. Aristotle was the father of logic. Kant said Newton improved it for 2,000 years. He created a whole system and solved many complicated problems, giving proofs that troubled many philosophers that followed. His system really became the foundation of Judaism, Christianity, and Islam. At least a worldview from which to interpret scriptures. Secondly, Aristotle was the tutor of Alexander the Great, who conquered much of the world known at that time. Alexander was later killed by his own people at a young age. Indeed, they may have killed Aristotle as well for helping him. There is a movie about Alexander. Maybe we need a movie about Aristotle. New objection. You say. I know. I love philosophy. But many philosophers just play a game of words. A drunkard or addict has more wisdom. My comments. Maybe you are thinking especially of 20th century analytic philosophy. It is very popular. The members say philosophy is just linguistic confusion. They even ignore the other or continental philosophers. Many branches. The Dr. Sigmund Freud removed some illnesses from medicine, adding them into clinical psychology. Though some medications can help deal with emotions, they were discovered by accident. They are not well understood but affect neurotransmitters. They were proven to be helpful. True, a drunkard or addict may have superior wisdom because of experience. But it will be helpful if one of them succeeds in teaching his insights or even first curing himself and sharing his wisdom. Maybe it is also similar for many mental or social crises or problems. Freud was the founder of psychoanalysis. Even he said we need a system of knowledge with answers to all our problems. Third objection. You say to me you know way too much. You lack experience. There is no life here. Like an AI answering back. Take care. My comment. Thanks, but books really contain valuable experiences of countless people and views of experts or geniuses. Also results of knowledge that are acquired scientifically, not by laymen or amateurs. And I have a lot of unique experience. I am not so young. Do you really know my life? In the Beatles movie A Hard Day's Night, Ringo is reading a book and an old man tells Ringo he lacks experience. I took a course on artificial intelligence. Star Trek TV series of last 60 years also teaches a lot about sophisticated AI computers. There are also many different kinds of TV shows and movies and music that help teach about life. Government research shows that on average education is the most important factor in determining your job income. Though a few people are gifted. Movie. A Hard Day's Night. Surprise. I just watched the Beatles in the 1964 movie called A Hard Day's Night again. It is in black and white. This time I thought it is a great movie, even funny sometimes. It has a good story and great Beatles songs. But I had a bit of trouble sometimes since they spoke fast and have the cherished British accent. It may help to add the words below in text for American or Canadian viewers. I also had fun singing along with John, Paul, and George on several songs. Ringo played the drums. Olivia Newton-John. Olivia is granddaughter of Jewish physics Nobel Prize winner Max Born, and a descendant of a Spanish king and the famous Protestant reformer Martin Luther. Shania Twain. Post. Video. Shania singing. My comment. Shania Twain is here with the Backstreet Boys. From this moment on hit song. This is a great song. Like a wonderful wedding ceremony. See also the song's video. Though surprisingly there are many reasons why people get married. Not only for love. Like for sex, to have kids, companionship, money, etc. Shania has many great songs and numerous albums. Beautiful, sexy Shania Twain. Commercial. Video. Song. My comment. White Christmas. This is not one of my favorite holiday songs. One new one I love is in the movie Catch a Christmas Star. It is a new kind of medley. I think it is called Christmas Star. Superman movie. Post. Video. Lois Lane is falling off the tall Daily Planet newspaper building. For the first time Superman shows up and catches her by surprise. My comment. A few years ago I met actress Margot Kidder at Comic-Con. I spoke to her about the 1977 movie Superman. She co-starred alongside Christopher Reeve. LeVar Burton. Post. He received Emmy for Lifetime Achievement. My comment. Also important is that on Star Trek The Next Generation TV series and motion pictures he acted in the role of chief engineer. I mean, even though the engineer was blind. That makes you stop and think. Majel Barrett Roddenberry. Post. Wife of Roddenberry and part of Star Trek. She was number 1 in the STOS pilot in the 1960s. She played Nurse Chapel in the series. Later she was the voice of the computer in several Star Trek spin-off TV series. Also after he left us she helped produce Roddenberry's TV series GR Andromeda and TV series GR Earth Final Conflict. My comment. This biography gives important highlights. Add they also had children. __. Sir Patrick Stewart. Post. He is awarded a Doctor of Letters. My comments. I learned a lot from 7 long seasons of Star Trek: The Next Generation TV series and later movies. Today many TV series have much shorter seasons. __. Bill Gates. My comments. A few years ago Bill Gates was put on list of top 100 most influential people of the last 1,000 years by A&E survey. I do not think he created the microcomputer disk operating system program DOS, but he made a smart arrangement or very profitable arrangement with the programmer and with the huge computer company IBM. This led to the world's largest software company, Microsoft. Most people know it for the many versions of the Windows microcomputer disk operating systems. It even extended to computer networks later. But also for Microsoft Office software, which includes the word text processing program. But it also has computer programming languages and applications programs like for airplane simulation. __. John Travolta and Olivia Newton-John. Post. Scene from movie. My comments. The movie Two of a Kind failed at the box office. But it has the 2 leading stars of Grease. It is a kind of sequel even. And it has interesting ideas. A Copernican revolution. Usually most people selfishly wonder, are they satisfied with the wise, powerful, and benevolent God? But here on the contrary, it is God who is not satisfied with us at all. So he may end all life on earth. How can we fix this terrible problem? ___. Star Trek. Post. Video. My comments. Stos has the organ Eons. It is fascinating that a community of humanoids appears far inferior to us human beings but is really far superior to us. It is hidden till they are forced to reveal their godlike character. Makes you think. __. December 16th, 2025. Steven Weinberg. Philosophy and Physics. Host of award-winning physicist Steven Weinberg. He says that philosophy asks deep questions. But it never helped science regarding reality or causality except in one case. He mentions Descartes and Newton and the mechanistic explanation. My critique. Really, Aristotle and others argued that there is no free will. The law of causality cannot be broken. Hume later challenged the law of causality. And Hume inspired Kant to create a great system. There Kant showed that free will is possible, or possibly it is real. Some people believe in free will or reject it without any justification, like the existentialist Sartre. And Einstein rejected free will. Let alone we may have miracles or another world besides ours called paradise where the laws of nature are different. Also have algorithms for people. Even have algorithms for computers or machines with conditional branching etc. today in software engineering, and that requires a whole new theory of physics. __. Objection. Aristotle did not argue against free will. Else he would not have written a book on ethics. You seem to lack understanding of the thinkers whose names you mention. My reply. Of course Aristotle gave at least 3 powerful arguments against free will. Though one of it is for simple beings. Really, I challenge these proofs. Anyway, Immanuel Kant did a great argument for freedom in his system. First in works on pure reason, then on practical reason. Surely arguing at least that it is possible. Though he very highly praised Aristotle's syllogistic logical theory, but he ignored his metaphysics. Benedict Spinoza and Albert Einstein did not believe in free will. Max Born said it is a philosophical question, not a scientific one. Existentialists like Sartre speak of freedom and responsibility. But they never prove the metaphysical notion of free will. Ernst Cassirer was a student of perhaps the most famous neo-Kantian, who was Hermann Cohen. One of the founders of quantum mechanics, Max Born, recommends a book by Cassirer on free will. Cassirer is considered a major 20th century philosopher in his own right. though he also helped edit the collected works of Kant and wrote a book on his life and philosophy. There are really many theories of ethics today. Like religion, some presuppose free will, etc. Aristotle had virtue ethics, which develops character. Kant had deontic ethics, or one based on duties. I think he also considered consequences. Bentham and Mill had consequentialism. So you focus on the consequence only. Professor Nichols said that 100 years ago in one court case the defense lawyer argued that we have determinism. So his clients really had no choices. It prevented capital punishment. That may not be the right judgment, but it seems the lawyer and judge were not aware of Kant's arguments. __. Star Trek. Post. What is the difference between a cosmic string and a quantum filament? My reply. I have been watching the Star Trek TV series and movies for 50 years. At first only for fun. The Enterprise spaceship and its fleet of shuttles have very sophisticated computers. Though the consultant was a physicist, not a software engineer. I have written thousands of pages on Star Trek. I have a university degree in advanced mathematics and computer science. I have also written thousands of pages on physics, mostly on Einstein's theory of general relativity, etc. The difference between a cosmic string and a quantum filament may be mainly of having a very different size. Also, the former may have more scientific evidence for it, since it has a gravitational field that affects huge visible objects. Einstein's theory replaced Newton's mechanics when gravity bent light waves during eclipse. It agreed with Einstein's theory. It was twice what Newton's theory would predict. In superstring theory, they say the mathematics is beautiful and may even give general relativity, but that strings or membranes are too small to ever be observed. Newton used center of mass. Einstein used a tensor to describe the position and distribution of objects. Since have length, curvature, and time dilation in his theory. Tensors have a known transformation law between the coordinate system of observer and of object. Really, I think space-time distortions are merely in our minds. The proof is easy. If several people look at the same object at the same time, there is only one reality but several perceptions by people. Have many minds. We use light waves to observe the world. Quantum filaments are really proposed because of the Heisenberg uncertainty principle. Since we have no knowledge below the Planck length, so strings avoid the problem of the meeting of microscopic particles. Physicist Ed Witten unified 5 string theories. He won the Fields Medal. Also, this limit affects general relativity since the speeds or accelerations below Planck length are not precisely known. Also, general relativity is continuous while quantum mechanics is digital. This may be partly since large objects can take virtually unlimited shapes, or SI. In one episode, Star Trek Data proposes the fascinating idea of time and anti-time. They annihilate each other. Add star. I think they had a cosmic string in the motion picture ST Generations. There Soren wanted to join with it. Also, they proposed subspace on Star Trek. Since you cannot go faster than the speed of light in normal space according to Einstein. In subspace the laws of physics are different. Steinbach and Okuda proposed that warp speed is achieved by entering subspace. Later they even had trans-warp drive. Add star. Though Max Born argued that it is only a speed limit of special relativity. He said that in general relativity it may be possible. He said consider the Earth as stationary instead of spinning. So the faraway stars are revolving around the Earth much faster than the speed of light. He was using the idea of equivalence off reference frames. It WSS similar to Einstein. Add star. Really, I think there may be a speed limit since an infinite magnitude may be impossible. As Aristotle, Averroes, and Jesus believed. But about 100 years ago Cantor argued that an infinite magnitude is possible. Anyway, they said the speed of sound was a limit but we broke it. Both on land and in the air. And we Einstein got a speed limit only because we use light to see the world. Add star. Also, contrary to Maxwell, Einstein, Witten etc., light can accelerate when it leaves an object or it is bent by gravity. Newton made the mistake that light had infinite speed. Today the mistake is that it has a finite constant speed. Maxwell solved the linear second-order partial differential wave equation, but he may have only solved it for a special case where speed is constant. A more general solution has acceleration. Einstein also has such equations, but they are tensors instead of scalar or vectors. Post. Are particles real? More important is, are they the fundamental ones? We need to use philosophy. My comment. Really, scientists may use a model to describe reality. So you can describe the heart as one large particle. But you can also describe it as a wave if you consider its main property, which is to pump blood to get oxygen from the lungs or to distribute the blood. An EKG looks at the heart. Similarly, you can look at the brain as a large particle, but also as brain waves in an EEG. So in quantum mechanics you have wave-particle duality. Are particles fundamental? Kant considered this question in his second antinomy of the dialectic of pure reason. Though today they build billion-dollar particle accelerators. Kant said philosophy cannot answer this question. Are particles simple or are they divisible to infinity? Later Hermann Cohen, the neo-Kantian, argued that simple particles may become finite by a sort of unification like in the integral calculus. Post. How can a hologram become admiral? My comments. Soon have Star Trek Starfleet Academy. Actor Robert Picardo is on it. The chief medical doctor was simply called the Doctor or the M.O. But he got the name Joe in the end when the crew of Voyager came home. And he even got married. Though Captain Janeway did not like the ending since it took too long to get back home and had heavy casualties. So she secretly attempted to change history. __________.